number 3, Santa Ana Park. And they're off. Early lead is taken by GoldenEye from the outside. Showtime Lady by the rail. And Tabaco moving up on the farther outside. Stop Guessing. And Golden Class bringing up the rear is Matinee Idol. And nearing the far turn, it's GoldenEye by 3.5 lengths, followed by Tabaco in second. And Golden Class moving up on the outside to take second. And rounding the far turn, it's still GoldenEye by 2.5 lengths, followed by Golden Class in second. Tabaco running in third. And here comes Matinee Idol. But it's still GoldenEye in the lead. It's GoldenEye moving up on the outside. It's Golden Class. And Tabaco closing in third. Stop Guessing and Matinee Idol. The last bend for home. Golden Class in the lead, followed by GoldenEye and Tabaco. Matinee Idol moving up on the inside. The top of the stretch, it is still Golden Class in the lead, followed by Matinee Idol by the rail. And Tabaco on the farther outside. Stop Guessing. It's still Golden Class in the lead. It's Golden Class, Matinee Idol, Tabaco, GoldenEye, Stop Guessing. And finally, at the playoff line, it's Golden Class, Matinee Idol, Tabaco, Stop Guessing, GoldenEye, Showtime Lady.
Okay, 4625 ang ating unofficial order of arrival.